they are developing a computer science university degree for free. I've been watching their development process for a long time, and hopefully they can have the university degree for free soon.
Long time, get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the
Now you have become a software developer. Congrats. But it is just the beginning of your career. So in my opinion, these 3 tips that I'm gonna give you guys in this video could be more practical for new developers. And this is just my opinion. So it's like if I need to give advice for myself 3 years ago, then I'm gonna give these 3 advices. I wish someone could tell me these tips earlier in the game so that I didn't waste a lot of my time and energy on non-important things. I heard a lot of tips and advice on building project is the best way that you can learn and practice your skill, which I agree 100%. However, choosing a project to be built, is very difficult and hard decision, because not only you need to find a project that is useful for the users, but also you need to be interested in the project in certain level so that your liking will keep the project going. Because building projects gonna drain you a lot of energy and time if you're not actually interested in the project. Otherwise, then the new project is just like unfinished project, and it's just like a tutorial project put on your resume, and it doesn't mean anything anymore. So first of all, learn the fundamentals. Fundamental is very important in any industry or any career. So if you know the fundamentals, then you can do a lot of stuff and understand deeply about the concept or any system that you're gonna work with. Bootcamp grad and self-taught developer usually lack of this knowledge because they focus more on the practical skill and the building project aspect of the job, but not actually the undergoing concepts and fundamental theories of computer science. So to compensate for what missing, especially for bootcamp grads and self-taught developers, don't just learn a new advanced technology, but focusing on the core programming concepts, algorithms, and data structures. Learn more about the system design. I know it's kind of boring and no one's gonna read a lot of theory stuff about that. In the long run, it's gonna help you a lot in your engineering method and your engineering thinking. Whenever you work on something, you're gonna think more about the space complexity, time complexity, the performance, and all the components behind connecting in the system. It's gonna upgrade your engineering thinking into another level. And how you learn all the fundamentals out there without going through the university. Nowadays, there are a lot of online courses that you can attend for very small fees, or some of them are for free. You can look online to find out. But for me personally, I will go through these 2 resources. So first of all, Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is a free platform that can go there and learn about coding and web development. So new developers or who wants to learn about coding can go there and try it because it's free and very useful. The reason why I mentioned Free Code Camp, even though they don't teach the computer science stuff, they are developing a computer science university degree for free. I've been watching their development process for a long time, and hopefully they can have the university degree for free soon. This could be a game changer for education because a lot of people can access the your computer science degree. For now, you can still go there and learn about all the stuff of web development. And I think they have a few courses related to computer science degree already on the platform. You can check it out in the link below. Another very good resource for this is this repo on GitHub. This is combining all the free or cost a little bit courses, and it matches the curriculum of the undergraduate computer science degree. Go check it out if you don't want to spend $100,000 for 4 years of university, but still want to learn and get the knowledge of computer science for free or cost you a little bit. I'm a lifelong learner, so I believe in learning and education. So keep learning and be curious. I believe everyone can do it, just a matter of time. Keep expanding your network and looking for a mentor. Mentor is very important for a new developer. The benefits of having mentors are saving you a lot of times. The tech industry is huge and very complex. The complexity is endless. So having someone been there than that, and they kind of coach you along the way, that you're not gonna waste a lot of your time and energy on the things that you don't like, or maybe it's not actually benefit for your career in the long run. Secondly, they gonna give you a feedback and emotional support. So feedback is a very important, especially constructive feedback. It's gonna help you grow and realize what you are still missing, and also improve your engineering skills and level. Having someone who has more experience and can look at your performance or your code or any other, maybe your project or something, your design or something, and then point out which one is still not up to the standard, or which one is still a weak point of your skill. And then after that, you can work on that after receiving the feedback and the guideline from the person. The journey of the software developer is very hard. Sometimes you feel like you are a genius. Sometimes you feel like you are an idiot. Maybe a lot of imposter syndrome kicks in along the way. So having someone been there than that and went through all of the emotional damage already, they can guide you and give you the experience how to get over emotional damage that you went through. The third one is career role and promotion fast. Engineer is not only about the tech and the hard skill and all the technology stuff. Engineer is also about the soft skill, because you need to work with the people to produce the product that people is gonna use it. That is the key for the promotion, and also the key to level up your software engineer skill. The mentor could also give you the access to their professional network, which is a huge opportunity for you. So that's gonna open lots of opportunities in the future. However, finding a good mentor is very difficult. I suggested starting with your friend who's also a developer but more experienced. At each point of your career, you may need to find another mentor which is more suitable to your goal. I remember they're saying that where the student is ready, the master appears. So be ready. Next is keep reading code. Reading code is a skill that is gonna increase your working speed and adaptability to a new code base or a new project, which is a very useful skill. And how do you practice? Spend a good amount of time and dedication when doing PRs. If you're not having a sweet job at the time, then join an open source project, reading other people's code and contribute to the open source project, or simply just build a project with other developers. It will take time to practice. Eventually, you will get better and better over time, just like reading English. I hope these 3 tips are useful for you, especially for new developers. If you think this video is helpful, then give a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and drop the comment down below so that I will have more motivation to do more videos in the future. And keep coding and stay awesome.